Hello, my lovelies and kindred spirits. How's everybody doing today? I want you to stop for a moment and listen to what I have to say. This is a big shout out to all my amazing women, all my amazing warriors that have experienced a pregnancy loss, or in other words, a miscarriage. I remember, seeing the first two lines and changing your whole world and having these dreams and already imagining your life, with your little bundle of joy, and then it comes really crashing down and you experience a miscarriage. You feel like, you know what, this is my fault. I thought exactly the same. I experienced multiple miscarriages, sadly 3 of them, and in my case scenario, it wasn't a miscarriage. My baby stopped growing inside of my tummy, and it really felt shit, to be really honest. And the truth is, I also thought, this is my fault. There's something wrong with me. But the truth was, it wasn't about me. It was about abnormal chromosomes, the epigenetics that really play a role in this whole conception and for going into a healthy pregnancy. Like, it isn't just what meets the eye. There is a lot behind it. And when I told myself, like, I want to, grow my family, I didn't ever think about, there's something going to be wrong. Like, you're all up in the clouds and you just got married, or maybe you're engaged, or, it just happened. And it's so wonderful to have this beautiful experience, and you truly never think of, okay, there's not going to go anything wrong. But that's kind of a misbelief that we have in our heads, because it can happen, and it probably will happen if you don't have the right nutrition, the right supplements, and having good quality egg health, sperm health. Like, everything is so much intertwined. But I want you to take out of this is that it isn't your fault. You just didn't know. And maybe your medical doctor told you, you know what, after 2 periods, you're good to go. Well, I'll tell you, you're not good to go, because you're not good to go emotionally, mentally, and physically. And that's where we're going to dive really deep into, so we can give you the right roadmap on which supplements to take, or what kind of nutrition to eat, and how you can really prepare your body for an upcoming healthy pregnancy that will go to term and will have that little bundle of joy in your arms. So if you want to learn more about my upcoming workshop that I have with Tara, please follow me and the stories, because the whole month will going to be around pregnancy loss, and we will hit the live with an amazing workshop at the end of this month, for right now, for really a fraction of a cup of coffee. So if you want to learn more about that, be sure to follow me and Tara. Tara is called Tara Angelus, or otherwise the Fertility Academy. And I just wanted to point this out to you again. Like, it isn't your fault, sweetheart. It just isn't. You just didn't know. And maybe you are going on the web and searching, and why this and why that, and symptoms, and maybe you are taking supplements, but the truth is, maybe you are taking supplements that are doing more harm than good to you, because you don't know. And your feelings are valid. I love you, and I'm here for you, and Tara as well. And be sure to follow us for more stories and tips, and the upcoming workshop. Bye for now.